请掌声欢迎他。
Hello everyone, my name is Jeter. Today I will tell you the story is the golden goose. One day a poor farmer named John finds a golden goose in front of his house. He is surprised as he never seen a goose before. "Why?" he called. "Come and see our golden goose." The goose lays an egg. John cannot believe his eyes. "It's a golden egg. We are going to be rich," John said happily. Every day the goose lays an egg. John sells the eggs at the market. Soon he and his wife become rich. But they now live in a big house. But one day John is greedy. He wants more golden eggs. He wants more money. He decides to kill the goose so that he can get all the eggs in one day. John kills the goose and opens it up. He is shocked because there were no any golden eggs in the goose's stomach. John begins to cry. He is sorry he kills the goose. Now he and his wife become poor again. A lesson to learn. We should be happy what we have and not be greedy. Thank you for listening.